Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today, let me introduce Lonbest interactive flat panel to you. Let us check the function of Whiteboard software first. Here, those icons is below the software. You can check pen, eraser, shape, background, undo, redo, select, multi, clear. Now let us try pen icon first. Here, for the writings, we can change the thickness and the color of writing stroke. You can check here. After the write, we will try to erase. There are two types of erasing. This is one type of erasing. The second type, we can select the erasing part. When the mathematics teachers using the software, they can use the shape. We can also check the background color. You see here is the green color form. If we make some mistake, there is undo, red do. When we write some words on the Whiteboard software, there is one touch writing and multi-touch writing. Here, let us try the pen touch writing. Just now, we tried the specific area erasing. Now, we can also erase all the screen. When the class is over, the teachers can also share all the writings of this class. Then teachers and students can scan this QR code to download all the writings.